Let's go over how to separate artwork for color shirts and light shirts. We're going to move at a little bit faster of a pace this time because we took our time to really go over a lot of these features. And I just want to show you how quick you can separate artwork within the ActionSeps DTX Live web app. So within your DTX Live folder that you've downloaded, you can go to Separation Test Images. And this time we're going to use this pink BG halftone image. I'm going to click and drag it right into the dashboard. That will open it up. Now with my particular printer and heat press, I can't do anything taller than 15 inches tall. So we're going to type in 15 inches. We'll click on Apply Size. And we're going to come down here to Shirt Color. And I'm going to select this pink color for the knockout color. So we'll remove all this pink. This would go on a pink shirt. Again, you can always unlink this and see how this will look on different t-shirt colors. I'm going to toggle on shirt color preview. We're going to start ActionSeps DTX Live. We'll activate our halftones. And last time we had it set up to 30 LPI. Let's try 25 LPI this time. And as you separate more images, you figure out what works for you. These settings will stay the same, but we're just going to change it to 25 LPI for this time. Now we'll come down here to our levels and we'll compress this a little bit, get some of our graphic back. We'll take a look at our mask, and that looks pretty good to me. Let's look at our separation, the split view. We are losing just a little bit, so let's pump this up just a little bit more, get some more of our graphic back, and that looks really good. We do have some little stragglers out here in which we can take care of that. We'll come down to our cleanup, and we'll bump that up just a little bit until these stray dots are gone. And there we go. That would print and transfer very nicely. So we'll go over here to separation. I don't need a white base for this. Let's say our provider takes care of that and will choke it for us. But we do have that option. I'm going to click Apply Seps, and then we'll click Export PNG. In this case, we don't have a white base, so we'll click Export PNG only, and it will chew through the image and it will download it. So now it's downloaded the image. Let's go to downloads. There's our separation right there. Now let's go ahead and do an image with a white shirt. I'm going to click and drag that in there. Again, the tallest I can do is 15 inches. We'll click Apply Size. We want to knock out the white. We'll turn on our shirt color preview. We'll start ActionSeps DTX Live. Turn on Enable Halftone. Our settings are back. We have 30 LPI. Let's go over to our mask. We need to include more of this image. Go back to separation preview here. Include some more of it until we get all of our details back. Now if we go to split view, we can move this to kind of see how much of our graphic is dropped off. Go to separation preview. We can toggle our shirt color on and off. And that looks pretty good. This is ready to go. Again, if you want to actually, let's take a look at our mask real quick. Make sure we don't have any stray dots we can clean up. Let's go up to the top here. No, that looks pretty good to me. By default, it already has one for the micro dot cleanup. So we'll click Fit to View, and we'll go ahead and save this. We'll save it as white shirt sep. We'll just go ahead and save that. We'll click Apply Seps, Export PNG only. And there we go. It's downloaded our separation. Here it is right here. And we'll go ahead and we'll save this just so we don't lose any of our changes. Again, you can always recall this, make some more changes. And if for some reason you forget to save it and you go to File, Save, or Close, it'll give you a little bit of warning. So that's a pretty awesome feature as well. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. If you have any questions, feel free to ask over at the Facebook group ActionSeps DTX. We'll be happy to have you and help you out along the way. See you inside the community.